Guys, go ahead and type in your name, where you are connected. Go ahead and do that. So if you can see my screen, please go ahead and type 1. If you can see my screen, type 1 right there on the chat window. Once again, I want to say a very big thank you for showing up here. And I want to say thank you. You chose to be here. You could have just been somewhere else this day, but you chose to be with me today. You know, many people have been asking me questions about this Forex thing. What is it? How to get started? How to make money from Forex market? What is needed to start? How to combine Forex with your job or jobs? What about the risk? Can you lose money? Do you gain? These and many questions will be answered in this presentation today. And of course, once again, let me remind you, nothing to buy on this trading. So keep your wallet away, keep your wallet away. And a little bit of disclaimer, because this is a training, and I want you to know that trading, investing, entrepreneurship involves high degree of risk. This content is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. Investing involves a high degree of risk. I am not an investment advisor, no guarantee of profit. Please do not trade or invest with the money you can't afford to lose. That kind of makes sense. So what you will be learning from me today, I hope you have your pen, you have your notebook, and I hope you have shut down every distractions, and I hope you have settled your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, those babies. I hope you have settled them, because we are going to be flying. We are going to be flying. There's a lot to cover today. And of course, we'll be going over some mindset training, because I am very heavy on mindset. 70% of our success is directly proportional to your mindset, the status of your mindset. So while you are always broke, we will look into that. 4 ways to produce income, according to Dr. Robert Kiyosaki. We'll quickly go over that. Introduction to 20 different online business models that people can do and you also can do. We will go over that briefly. And why I chose Forex trading over other online business models. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been online for over 15 years. I have done them all. Affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, e-commerce, mention them. I have done them all. So why did I choose Forex trading over them all? Then we'll start looking into what is Forex, what Forex is not, what is traded in Forex, how we make money in Forex. We'll look into goal settings in Forex. You know, best time to trade Forex for maximum profit. 4 reasons people lose money in Forex. Then we'll look into 4 major reasons why I trade Forex and what you need to start trading today. And of course, we will round it up by how you can join my mentoring program if you want to. It is not mandatory. I'm still going to give you value that will qualify for your time today. So I love this quotable quote. You know, I love this quote by Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins, I love this quote. He says, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. If you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. If you agree with that statement, type yes on that chat window. If you agree with that statement right there, if you agree with that statement right there, type yes on that chat window. If you agree with that statement, type yes on that chat window, because I believe Tony Robbins cannot be wrong. He has mentored so many. So if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. I think that is true. Yes. So at the end of this presentation, at the end of this training today, this is your gift. I'm going to be giving you gift over $4,000 worth of valuable gifts. So make sure you hang around with me. And if you don't have my book, the digital copy of it, Beginner's Guide to Mastering Forex Trading, I'll be giving all of you access to it access to download it, immediate access right on this training. So this is my promise for you today, ladies and gentlemen. My goal for you today is to attempt to help you understand one of the ways you can create a financial security future for yourself, and of course a future for your family, trading the largest financial market in the world. Yes, that is my promise for you. I promise to deliver unto you everything you need to get started trading the forex market and profit with it today on this training. So hang around with me, and I'm talking about mastering a skills that will enable you to start making a daily income like this. As you can see, this is $5,122 a day. So far so good this month. As at the time of recording this video, this is $42,889.67, okay, from two accounts. As you can see, this is 27,000, this is 15,000. Add both together, that is over 42,000 from live account. Why am I showing this? I'm showing you this so that you will know that what I'm going to be sharing with you today is not theory. It is what I'm doing, it is what I've been doing, and if you can listen and follow instruction, you too can begin to change your life. This is $5,791. This is $1,482. This is $3,021. $6,658, $8,320, $11,163, and this was actually last month again, $38,000. Now, I didn't show you all of these to impress you, okay? I don't have any reason whatsoever to impress you, but to impress upon you that you are about to discover a skill that will triumph you in this new economy. How many of you believe that we are totally in a brand new economy right now? How many of you believe? If you believe, type yes on that chat window. If you believe that we are totally in a brand new economy, type yes on that chat window right now. If you believe that we are totally in a brand new economy and you need a different skills, difference to go to school, get a good grade, graduate, and live happily after, it doesn't work. That is why we see so many doctors are sick. That is why we see so many lawyers, going through lawsuits. That is why we see so many accountants that are broke. That is why we see so many PhD that are broke. So the traditional education has failed us. Our politicians have failed us. So you need a new skill to empower yourself. It's not about burning houses or burning cities. Yes, we might be angry that our leaders have failed us, but we just need a new empowerment. We need a new way to approach a new system. And we're talking about a new economy right now. So how many of you believe right now that we are in this new economy? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I can go on and on, display my result, showing you proof that you are about to just, change your life right now. I call Forex market buffet. Yes, it's all you can dream, it's all you can eat. But remember, I don't know you. My past results do not determine your result. I don't know how hungry you are. I don't know how much hungry, I don't know how determined you are, but if you are that person that can follow simple guide, simple instruction, anything is possible. And when I say anything is possible, it is very, very possible. I am not an overnight success at all. I didn't get to where I am today by accident. I didn't get there overnight. I didn't become a Forex expert overnight. My results are not typical once again, but you can start from where you are right now. I remember, 15 years ago, I was just like where you are right now, getting started with Forex, okay? And with what you have right now, I promise and I tell you, you can do it. You can get started. So if you want to achieve success in life, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded according to Tony Robbins And I believe that statement is very true. That statement is very, very true. So, and who am I, and why must you listen to everything I've got to share with you on this presentation? Why must you listen to everything I've got to share with you on this training today? My name is Emmanuel Adegbola, popularly known as the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living, and I mentor others to profit from the same market. I'm not a multi-millionaire trader. I don't drive fancy cars. I don't live in a penthouse, but I'm grateful to God for what He has blessed me and my family with. I live comfortably, and of me, of course, as a Forex trader, thanks to the skills you are about to acquire today. I'm an independent trader, a president of Eden Riches LLC. And of course, I won't bore you so much with my grass to grace stories in Forex, but know this very well. I've paid my price. I've paid my deal. You know, when I got started in Forex, I bought 6 live accounts. I bought 6 live accounts. Remember, let that record on your head right now. Just record that. I bought 6 live, not demo, live accounts within my first 6 months before I got it right. There's a reason why over 90% of Forex traders, okay, burn out 90% of their Forex accounts within the first 90 days of their trading career. And I'm going to be helping you with that mindset today, how to remove yourself from that statistics, So after I burnt my 6 accounts, of course, that was when it dawned on me that, okay, I was doing something wrong. And I hired myself a coach, and that was the best trading decision I've ever made when it comes to trading. Okay, so don't make the same mistake that I made. Okay, don't make the same mistake that I made at all. Don't wait till you burn out even your first live account before you seek help, before you get help. The best investment you can do for yourself is to invest on your self-education, or to invest on your self-education. You know, I remember a long time ago, you know, I used to work in a cubicle just like this. I hated that job to the extent that I didn't even have any picture of myself. Okay, back home in Nigeria, I used to be at the back of a bullion van like this, and we would go for what we call cash movement. I was working for a bank, you know, and each time we were going out, I would be reading Psalms, you know, because I didn't know what was going to happen before we came back. Many times we were attacked by armed robbers, but even when I was doing this, I kept investing on myself. I kept investing on myself. And of course, it wasn't long when I quit my job, started working full time from home, trading Forex. And that was 2006, 2007. So what I'm sharing with you is not an overnight experience. It's not an overnight acquired skills, but you can get started today. I relocated to US 2007. I started working as security officer. And of course, you could imagine somebody that graduated with first class, you know, relocated to US, started working, okay, as a security officer. It wasn't a palatable experience. A friend told me, okay, let's go and do CNA. For some of you that are not in US, CNA stands for Certified Nurse Aid. It's just another name for a glorified maid. You know, when I started doing that, I didn't love it at all. I quit, and a friend said, okay, come on, let's go and do our nursing program. Then we went to do LVN, and when we finished that, we thought life would be easier. Another person said, okay, come on, let's go and do RN, and we registered for RN program again. And it just dawned on me one day that, okay, how long will I continue on this 40 system? Take another 40,000 student loan to go to school, to graduate, and, you know, work for 40 hours for another 40 years of my life, and retire to start spending 40% of 100% that was not available in the first place. So I quit. I really quit, and I faced my online business full time. And today, glory be to God, this is where I am, Eden Riches founder and CEO, and so many other online money making programs that I have going. As I said, I'm trying not to bore you with my story, my grass to grace stories. This is where I'm talking to you right now. This is my home office, but you don't need 5 computers like mine to get started trading Forex. Not at all. All you need is just 1 computer. In fact, you can start with a cell phone or tablet. You know, so what is my motivation? Many people ask me that, okay, Emmanuel, you're a pastor. Why are you trading Forex? What is the relationship between Forex and pastoral work? Are you a Christian? You know, when I was trying to register my business in 2010, God gave me these scriptures. He says, and I will give you the treasures of darkness and hidden riches of secret places, that thou mayest know that I, the Lord, which called thee by your name, am the God of Israel. Isaiah 45 verse 3. When I heard that, when I read that, I said, wow. I told myself, really? So it means there is, there are some hidden riches in some secret places that is only meant for those that discover it. And I told myself I was going to go in search of it. And of course, that was where my business name come from, Hidden Riches LLC. So if you are here on this presentation, I'm here to present to you one of those hidden riches, and that is Forex trading. That is Forex trading. Many people do not know about it, and many people that know about it, they are doing it wrongly. And when I was called into ministry, of course, God gave me this scripture in the book of Isaiah 61 verse 6. And I apologize for those that are not Christians. This is my faith, and this is what motivates me to do what I do. And he says, and you will be called priest of the Lord. You will be named ministers of our God. You will feed. You will feed on the wealth of nations, and in their riches you will boast. In their riches you will boast. So there is a riches. Okay, there are some riches that belongs to the nations. There is something called wealth of nations. I'm talking to you about Forex, ladies and gentlemen, and that is exactly where we are going. That's the picture of me doing what I love doing most in Las Vegas. This is a picture of me at a Caribbean Atlantis. I love traveling. This is why I do what I do. I love this quotable quote. It says, when your why is big enough, how becomes easy. When your why is big enough, how becomes easy. So what is your why? I want you to type on that chat window. I'm going to pause for a minute. I'll be talking alone. I want to be sure that I'm talking to someone right now. Remember, somebody is going to win my 6-month coaching and mentoring program. So make sure you hang around and participate, because I'm going to pick from those comments one person. That person wins my coaching and mentoring program. So what is your why? Why are you on this presentation today? I want you to type it right there on that chat window. Come on, go ahead. Type it right there on that chat window. Why are you on this presentation this day? Why are you on this presentation? What is your why? Type it right there on the chat window right there. Let me see. Right, type it right there. Or that says freedom. Or that says freedom. Okay, freedom. Yes, freedom. Freedom from who? From politicians. Financial freedom. Freedom from your boss. Freedom from your whoever. So you have to be specific. To be financially free. Yes, Udo to be financially free. Ogutoye says to get the knowledge, to break free. Paulinho says financial freedom. Financial freedom, okay? What do again? Pierre says time and money independence. Taiwo says to learn how to trade. Oyeri to learn how to trade forex, okay? Go ahead, type why are you? Knowledge leading to power, okay? Just knowledge, yes. Because if you think education is expensive, someone says try ignorance. Kingsley, my why is to change life of my family and those around me. Bob says I am sick. Let me see. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. I love that, Bob. Okay. I now says why is to have a good life and provide for my family. Yes, All of us, every one of us have our why we are on this training today. Why you want to make money with Forex. So what is your why? Why do you want to make money with Forex? Why are you on this presentation? What do you plan to do with the money? Is it to go on that vacation you've always dreamed of? Is it to have time for your loved ones? Is it to quit your job and be your own boss? Is it to be good? Get out of debt. You have your own why. Many people make money, but they don't have time. They don't have time at all. That might be your why. Many people are so full of debt. To get out of debt, to be good, might be your why. Maybe it's to have more than enough. You are just sick and tired of same old, same old. Once again, when your why is big enough, how becomes easy. So is this really for you? So now that you know a little bit about me and my background, is this training, is this material, is this session for you? Okay, is it going to be useful and relevant to you? Who is this for? You are frustrated trading the Forex market and you are almost at the point of quitting. In fact, you have started contemplating if Forex is for you. Then, my friend, get excited because this training is for you. Who is in this category? Type 1. Type 1. If you're in this category, you are frustrated right now trading the Forex market and you are almost at the point of quitting. Is that you? Type 1 on that chat window. Say, yes, you got me right there. That is me. Number 2, you have been hearing about Forex and the kind of money you could start making from Forex, okay, but you don't know how to get started. Is that you? If that is you, then this training is for you. You have been trading Forex for a while with little proven results, and you need to sharpen your skills. I mean, you need to take your income to the next level. Then this training is for you. You are sick and tired of your current dead-end job or jobs, and you need to change your career, looking for an additional income stream. Then this training is for you. And lastly, you are making enough money right now. Enough money right now, but you don't have time for yourself. You don't have time for your family members, and you need a solution. I mean, you need it right now. This training is for you. If you belong to one of these 5 categories, then get excited. I'm so excited for you that you're on this training. I'm so excited that you are here with me. And of course, you are not in the wrong place. You are not in the wrong place. So if you belong to one of these categories, congratulations, because this training is for you. Once again, I love this quote. Once again, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded by Tony Robbins. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to write that down. Take the screenshot, take the picture. You need to read that to yourself every day. If I want to achieve success, all I need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. You want to succeed in Forex trading, all you have to do is look for someone that is getting the kind of result that you are looking to get, then model that person. And don't look any further because one is talking to you right now. Your marriage is struggling. You want to achieve success in your marriage. All you have to do is look for someone that is already successful in his or her marriage and model what they are doing. You have a ministry, you are struggling in your ministry. All you have to do is find someone that is already succeeding in what you are doing and model them. It's a very simple strategy. So who is ready? Are you ready? Type yes. Who is ready? Who is ready to dive into this and just begin to make a change in his or her life? Who is this for? Is this for you? Type yes. Type yes. Type yes right there. Type yes right there. Type yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on, say yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Okay, Paulinos ready. Sheon ready. Who again? BJ ready. Frankie ready. Ogutoye ready. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's keep going. I'm so excited. You guys are just engaging. Remember, one person getting, get to win my 6-month coaching and mentoring program today. That is $5,000 gift for you. So make sure you hang around, and I'm going to be randomly select that person at the end of this training. Okay, so let's talk about you and your destination. Let's talk about you. This is you, and this is where you are going, your destination. There are different routes by which you can get there. You know, many choose to do full-time job or jobs, thinking that okay, they go get to that financial freedom, all those why that we have listed above. Many decide to just be sleeping all day, but all of us, every one of us, have our destination where we want to go. Some choose to walk, some choose to ride on a motorcycle like this, some choose to drive, some choose to fly. And I hope you know that even flying also have categories. But one thing is the route you take will determine whether you get there faster or longer. One of my mentors told me there is a rocky path through life and there is an elevator. So the question is, which one will you choose? Which one will you choose? Come on, go ahead and type it. Which one will you choose? There is, a rocky path and there is an elevator, okay, through life. That is just it. There are two ways, two paths. So which one will you choose? Can you go ahead and type which one you choose right there? Let me see. Let me see what you guys are choosing. There is a rocky path. There is an elevator. There is a rocky path. There is an elevator. So which one will you choose? Come on, go ahead and type it right there. Which one will you choose? Okay, Bidogu says elevator. BJ says elevator. Okay, come on. Taiwo says elevator. Who again? Who again? Which path? Which path? Which okay, success, elevator. Okay, nobody choose nobody chose rocky path. Okay, it will be stupid of you when you choose the rocky path. I will choose elevator any day, any day. I will choose elevator any day because it is fast, it is easier. I don't have to do it all by myself. I don't have to start figuring it out. Yes, I will choose elevator. Now, let's quickly take a look at why you are always broke. Why you are always broke. You see, there is what is called income. Most people have just one income stream, and we have so many bills. When we talk about bills, some of you possibly in Nigeria, you don't know what bills mean. You just failed to pay NEPA bills or power audits bills. But bills are bills, okay? Where you have to pay for your electricity, you pay for gas, you pay for internet, you pay for your trash, you pay for water, you pay for this, you pay for that. Now, you have all of this. These are called bills. They are fixed. They are permanent. Every month you take care of them. And the income also, some are permanent, some are not even permanent. Now, why are you always broke? You will always be broke the moment this left side is always less than the right side. So let's say, for example, your income in a month is $1,000 and your bills is $1,200 in a month. Of course, there's always deficit, shortage of 200, right? So there's no way this person will have financial freedom. It is not possible. But if your income is $10,000 in a month and your bills is $1,200, of course, you have excess. That excess, you can invest it, you can save, you can do a lot of things with it. So the moment your income, okay, is greater than your bills, definitely you know you are getting there. Does that make sense? If that makes sense to you, type yes on that chat window. Type yes, it makes sense. It kind of makes sense. It kind of makes sense. Type yes on that chat window if it makes sense to you. Awesome. Okay, cool. Let's continue. So what you want to do is to make your income to be greater than your bills. Okay, awesome. So how many of you have read this book? How many of you have read this book by Dr. Robert Kiyosaki? If you have read this book, type yes. Type yes on that chat window. Type yes. Okay, you've read the book. That was by Dr. Robert Kiyosaki, Cashflow Quadrants. If you have not read this book, go to Amazon and search for this book. You need to read it because it makes sense. It's a guide to financial freedom. And in this book, Dr. Robert Kiyosaki talks about 4 ways to produce income. 4 ways to produce income. He talks about employee in the first quadrant, self-employed in the second quadrant, business owner in the third quadrant, and the investor on the fourth quadrant. Now, when you look at that, when you look at these employees control the 5% of the wealth. Okay, these people have job, J-O-B, just over broke. I searched through my scripture from Genesis to Revelation, where I found J-O-B is a name of a man called Job. Bible will always talk about the work of your hand, So Forex trading is one of the reasons why the Lord, has just blessed this entire world. We're talking about over $6.6 trillion. So 5% controls employee, self-employed, own a job. Some people, when they graduate from this level, they go to this level. This contains the 95% of our population. But where you want to be is the right side of the quadrant. You want to be a business owner and you want to be an investor. So, and that's what I'm going to be talking to you about, how to be a business owner and how to be an investor. There are different ways you can do or you can use to make money online. There are different businesses you can do online, but someone defined business as a living organism that grow with or without you being there. Let me repeat that. A business is supposed to be a living organism. I'm going to type it right. Living, a business, okay, business supposed to be a living organism. A living organism, okay, a living organism that grows with or without you being there. With or without you being there. If you are a dentist and you will always be there to make money, trust me, you don't have a business. What you have is another job. If you are a doctor, if that clinic cannot be opened except you are there, what you have is another job, not a business. Warren Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money when you sleep, you will work till you die. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work till you die. So when I read that quote, I told myself, no, I have to find a way to make money while I sleep. And Forex produce that way. So there are different ways by which you can make money online. I'm going to quickly go through 20 of them just briefly. Number 1 is blogging. I believe most of you know what blogging is. You have to do your niche research. You have to get a domain, register the domain. You have to understand how to drive traffic. Most people talk about Linda Ikeji. She's a blogger. But do you know how long she has been blogging before she could start making money? Blogging, yes, you can make money, but there are lots to do. Freelance service, okay, info marketing, affiliate marketing, local business consulting, online network marketing, domain flipping, domain reselling, hosting reselling, mini importation, e-commerce, caller tuning, software vending, mobile apps, email marketing, database reselling, bulk SMS, BizOps, cryptocurrency, and Forex trading. These are 20 different business models that you can do online. All of them, trust me, I've been there, and I will tell you the toughest, and I will tell you the easiest. So, all of them have their learning curve. There is no easy ride. All the 20 business models discussed above, that I just showed you above, they require some level of learning that you can do. Learning curve, nobody wants to go through that, right? But the very first 18 that I talk about, the affiliate marketing, the info marketing, this network marketing, you have to deal with a lot. You have to deal with product creation. You have to deal with blogging. You have to deal with copywriting. You have to deal with Facebook. You have to deal with YouTube, back end, front end, traffic. There are lots to deal with when it comes to most of the online business models. Do you agree with this? If you agree with that, say, type yes on that chat window. Say, yes, I agree. Remember, somebody is winning my 6-month coaching and mentoring program at the end of this training. So participate, make sure you engage. Make sure you engage. Okay, do you agree? Most of those online businesses I talk about, you will have to do most of all of this. Most of all of this. Yes, absolutely. Yes, yes. But when we talk about Forex, all you do is learn 2 things. Just two. Just 2 things. When we talk about Forex, all you learn is just 2 things. Okay? You learn how to buy, how to sell, and when to exit. That is, when to enter, when to exit. Those are just the 2 things you learn when you are talking about Forex trading. But every other ones you have to deal with. Okay, you learn how to do this, you learn how to pay-per-click, traffic, blogging, SEO, YouTube. You start talking about most of all of this. But when it comes to trading Forex, all you learn is just when to enter, when to exit. Know your entry, know your exit. That's all. So which one will you prefer between this and the remaining ones right there? None of this. You don't have to do all of this when it comes to Forex. You don't have to do any of this. All you have to do is what? Just learn how to enter, how to exit, when to enter, when to exit. None of this. No SEO, no PPV, no blogging, no guest posting, no YouTube, no Facebook, no solo ads, no article writing, none of those silly and boring internet marketing BS. The reason why I'm doing this is because I love trading. I love to teach. I'm passionate about empowering people. But you don't have to do this. You don't have to do training. You don't have to do webinar. In fact, you can be trading Forex without anybody knowing that you are doing that. It's just only you. Unlike MLM or network marketing, you have to start chasing people around. You have to start turning yourself to nuisance to your friends and family members. You have to start chasing neighbors. No, with Forex, you don't do any of that. You just keep making your money silently. Nobody knows, except you and possibly you, the tax master. All right, so let's talk about Forex. How many of you are ready? Let's talk about Forex and how you can profit with Forex. You know, somebody asked me, is trading by Blako? You are a pastor. Why are you trading Forex? And I refer them to Matthew 25, 14 to 30, and also refer them to Luke chapter 19, 11 to 27. Jesus talked about 2 parables. One, parable of the talents, another one, parable of the miners. There are 2 different parables in the Bible, but 2 of them talked about trading. It talks about talents, it talks about miners. So go and read that if you are one of those people. So now that I have your attention, ladies and gentlemen, can we talk about Forex? So what is Forex? What is Forex? Forex trading simply means buy one currency while simultaneously selling another currency. Example, if you buy Euro USD, what it means is you buy Euro while you are selling USD. Do you understand? So if you are, it's okay, yeah, I want to buy Euro USD, I want to buy Euro USD. What you are doing is you buy Euro while you sell USD. And many people say, oh, they can't trade Forex. I tell you what, everybody is involved in Forex. Forex is foreign exchange. How many times have you bought something online? How many times have you taken a loan from the bank? How many times have you taken your money and changed from bureau de change? If you change your naira to dollars, you have traded Forex. If you change your dollars for Japanese yen, you have traded Forex. If you have kept your money in the bank, you have traded Forex. If you have ever taken a loan, you have traded Forex. So everybody is involved in trading, but the way we do it is different. So what I'm introducing to you is how to use your computer, how to use your cell phone, how to use your tablet to do it and make money. People exchange currency every time, every time. Okay, people exchange currency every time. People buy stuff online every time, and there is a foreign, exchange going on. Somebody in US wants to buy something in China. Somebody in China wants to buy something in London. So there are these exchanges going on all the time. So what you are doing as a Forex trader is participate in that process for profit. Okay. So what is traded in Forex is money. Is that not beautiful? What is traded in Forex is money. There are 8 major currencies in Forex, 8 major currencies in Forex. We talk about US dollars, Euro zone, Japanese yen, Great Britain, British pounds, Swiss franc. We talk about Canadian dollars, Aussie dollars, and New Zealand dollars. Okay, these are major pairs. You see, if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have US dollars, Euro, we have Japanese yen, we have British pounds, Swiss franc, Canadian dollars. So these 8 make up our major currency pairs. Our major currency pairs. Take a look at this. Our major currency pairs. So these are the 7 of them. We have Euro USD, we have USD JPY, we have GBP USD, we have USD Swiss franc, we have USD Canadian dollars, we have Aussie USD, and we have New Zealand dollars. Okay, Euro USD, USD Japanese yen. So looking at this, there is something that is common to all of them. Who can tell me what is common to all of them? The first person that get this win 10,000 naira from me. The first person that get this win 10,000 naira right now. The first person that get this win 10,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. The first person, and if you are not in Nigeria, you win the equivalent. So the first person that get this. So what is common to all of them? Let me see. Oguntoye, that's the person my eyes can quickly catch. Oyilola, no, Oguntoye, that's the person I call. Oguntoye Oluwafemi. Congratulations, Oguntoye. Oguntoye Oluwafemi. Congratulations. So after this training, contact me on my WhatsApp 214 +1 214 440 6099 to claim your gift, 10,000 naira, and I will be sending that to you cash. And of course, you must give us a quick proof that you receive your money so that others will know that we are not just playing. It is our goal to empower people, and the little we can do, we will be doing it. Okay, yes. So something is common to them. USD is common. USD, 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 USD. Yes, you can see. So that is why you need to be praying for United States. Because if America sneezes, okay, the rest of the world catches cold. So you can see Euro USD makes up what we call the major currency pairs. So, and these ones, they are more voluminous, they have more volume, and that is why we call them major. Now, any of the currency pairs that don't have USD, then we refer to them as minor currency pairs. Do you guys get that? So there's a reason why majority likes to trade Euro USD. Is the most traded, most traded currency pair. Awesome. So let's continue. Awesome. So now, how do we make money in Forex? Many people still get this wrong, and that is why I love to talk about it. How we make money in Forex? How do we make money in Forex? We make money in Forex by how many pips we harvest. How many pips we harvest, and somebody will ask, what is pips? Pips is a short word for point and percentage. Point and percentage. Point and percentage. Point and percentage represent a tiny measure of the change in the currency pair in the Forex market. So Euro USD, as you can see, if Euro USD moves from here, okay, if Euro USD moves from here to here, from 1.13631 to 1.13641, it has gained 1 pip. So you see 1 pip. So if USD Japanese yen moves from 113.82 to 113.83, it has increased by 1 pip. So how we make money in Forex is what? By pips. By pips, that is how we make money in Forex. That is beautiful right there. Awesome. So let's talk about pip value. A pip value is determined by the type of account you operate. A pip value is operated by the type of account you operate. We have 4 types of accounts. We have nano, we have micro, we have mini, and we have standard. We have nano, we have micro, we have mini, and we have standard. We have nano, we have micro, we have mini, and we have standard. So the nano has the pip value of 1 cent. 1 cent, that is per pip for most major currency pairs. Nano pairs, that will be what? That will be 1 cent. Micro is 10 cents per pip. Mini is $1 per pip, and the standard is $10 per pip. Okay, $10 per pip. $10 per pip. So now when you look at that, the nano is 1 cent, micro is 10 cents, mini is $1, standard is 10 cents. So you might have 4 traders. We have 4 traders, A, B, C, D. They traded the same currency and they made the same number of pips. So let's say they made 50 pips. 4 of them traded and they made 50 pips. 4 of them will have different amounts that they make. 4 of them, A, so let's say A traded nano, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Now, the first person that get this win 10,000 naira. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So how much does A make? How much does B make? How much does C make? How much does D make? Come on. The first person now that get that win 10,000 naira from him. The first person that gets that, you must list it. A, what A makes, what B makes, what C makes. So remember, they 4 of them make 50 pips. So how much does this make? Okay, how much does this make? 50 pips. So how much does this make? So let me see. Some of you are typing just $5. No, you must type it together. A, B, C, D. What does they make? So A makes this, B makes this, C makes this. So let's see. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Gabi chokes. Nano 5, micro 5. You put A, B, C, D. Gabi. Let me see. A, B, C, D. You just type like A makes this, B makes this, C. You just type it together. A $5, B 50, C 500, C more. Ogutoye. No. Okay, we again. Let's see. Taiwo Ojo. Let me see. Taiwo Ojo. Let me see your response. Taiwo Ojo. Let's see. Taiwo Ojo, 5 cents, $5, 50, 500. Yes, Taiwo Ojo, congratulations. Taiwo Ojo. Taiwo Ojo, congrats. So you multiply this by 50. So this is that would be 5 cents. This will be $5. This will be $50. and this will be $500. So A makes 50 cents, B makes $5, C makes $50, D makes $500. So Taiwo got it first. Congratulations, Taiwo. Congrats, congrats, congrats. So yes, so you can see this is how we make money in Forex. Even though 4 people trade the same currency pairs, make the same thing. So what they make in a dollar value is different. But try to focus on pips, not on the dollar, because all you have to understand is you can start your account small and grow it. Okay, you can start the account and grow it. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to start to get great. Okay, so you can start an account from $100 and grow it to $1,000, but with time, you can start an account from $1,000 and grow that same account, just grow that same account to $10,000. And from $10,000, you can grow it to $100,000. But you need to understand that the more you have in your account, the more buying power and selling power you have. Imagine you make 50 pips and you are trading nano, you just make 5 cents. But don't be discouraged, just focus on the process. Because by the time you grow your account to like maybe $500, you start trading micro. So instead of this 5 cents now, you're now making $5 on that same trade. By the time you grow your account to like $5,000, you can now start trading mini. Okay, you start trading mini. So the same 50 pips now make you $50. And by the time you grow this account to let's say $10,000, you now start trading standard. That same 50 pips now make you $500. So you focus on the process, focus on the pips, and not really the dollar when you are starting. Does that make sense to you guys? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Guys, just make sure you participate. I see some of you posting that you are the first person that responded. The first person I pick, I don't know all of you, I don't know anybody, but I just pick randomly. And remember, I've said it, it's all just paying back. If that will encourage you to follow me and pay attention, we will do that. Awesome. So let's talk about setting goals. You need to learn how to set goals in your Forex. Okay, so let's say your goal is to make $10,000 per month. That will mean that you have to make $2,500 per week. And that means that you have to make $500 per day. And if you are trading standard low account size, that is 50 pips. So all you need is 50 pips a day, and you'll be good. If you live in a country like Nigeria, you are making $500 per day. Trust me, you are blown. You are a big boy. So now let's talk about best time of the day to trade Forex. Let me drink water. So, are you guys feeling me at all? Are you guys enjoying this? If you are following and you are enjoying this, type yes. Type yes, right on. Type yes, right on. Type yes, right on. Type yes, right on. Come on, go ahead. Type yes, 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 yes. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Awesome, awesome. So, let's talk about the best time of the day to trade Forex. Best time of the day. I mean, Forex market opens on Sunday evening from Sydney and run till 4 p.m. You know, on Friday. We call it 24 hours market. It's a 24-hour market. It's the market that never sleeps. It doesn't sleep. But that the market is 24 hours market does not necessarily make it that you have to trade 24 hours. So there are some certain times you have to learn to trade. So we have 4 major sessions, or I call it 3 major sessions: the London sessions, the New York sessions, and the Asian. We combine Sydney and Tokyo together. London session, New York, and the Sydney. So the New York opens around 3 a.m. Eastern time. London, 3 a.m. Eastern time. The New York opens 8 a.m. Eastern time. The Sydney opens 5 p.m. Eastern time. So you pick the time you want to trade. The best time to trade is to look at the very first 2 hours of that session. The very first 2 hours of that session. For example, I'm in Dallas, so from my 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., that is the best time for me to trade if I want to trade London session. From 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., that is my time. If you are in Nigeria, you are looking to like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you are in London around that time, the very first 2 hours that session opens, that is the best time to get most, volume. The same thing in New York. If I'm in Dallas and I want to trade a New York session between 7 and 9 a.m., that is when you get most of the movement in that market right there. And if you want to trade the Asian market between the 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., most of the times the market opens 7 p.m. So when Tokyo market opens, so between 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern time, that will be the best time to trade, because that is when the volume picks up. That is when the volume picks up. Awesome. So let's continue. We are getting there gradually. So let's quickly talk about 4 reasons. 4 reasons people lose money in Forex. 4 reasons people lose money in Forex. 4 reasons people lose money when it comes to Forex trading. There are 4 reasons people lose money in Forex. Number 1, getting started with wrong mindset, entering trades without exit plan, inability to control your emotion, and using inappropriate trading platform. These are the 4 reasons people lose money. Number 1, getting started with wrong mindset. If you start an account with $100 and your goal is to be making $100 every day, that is wrong mindset. If you start an account with $1,000 and your goal is to be making even $100 every day, trust me, that is still a wrong mindset. Why? Because you will be over leveraging that account, and before you know it, you will be burning out that account. Most of the banks give 1 to 2% annual return on your money. Annual return. So even Warren Buffett, the legend investor himself, says that he doesn't make more than 20% on his money in a year. So who are you as a trader? You want to be making 200% every day or 1,000% every day? Most of you will be, you're looking to start trading account with $100 and you want to make $1 million by tomorrow. It doesn't work like that. That is wrong mindset. Then when you enter a trade and you don't have exit plan, what does that mean? To have an exit plan. And we exit this trade when this happens. Or you enter a trade, you put your stop loss, you put your take profit and let the trade run. So there must be an exit plan. Then inability to control your emotion, greed and fear. Okay, mojo, and of course FOMO. All of that add to why people lose money. And of course, using inappropriate trading platform. When you are getting started and all you have to deal with is all these double bottom, double top, upper wedge, lower channel, upper channel, pen bar. I've been trading Forex for 15 years. I still don't wrap off my head with all of that. I trade naked charts, but I follow just 2 of them, and that is it. So these are the reasons people lose money, and you have to remove yourself from that. And that is why we are doing this. Okay. So let's quickly talk about 4 major reasons why I personally trade Forex. Okay. Why I personally trade Forex. Number 1 is liquidity. Forex market is liquid, over 6.6 trillion daily volume transaction. Guys, that is trillion with T. Trillion with T. Bigger than New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, Taiwan Stock Exchange, Nigeria Stock Exchange. Combine all of them together, Forex market is bigger than them. Flexibility, we've talked about it. Forex market opens 24 hours a day. 24 hours a day. So no trading restrictions. You can trade any size of account, as we have discussed. You can trade part-time, you can trade full-time. Size, you can trade any account. Any account size. As I explained, you can trade nano, micro, mini, standard, and focus. You can focus on just one currency pairs and make a fortune. Unlike a stocks that you don't know which stocks will go up tomorrow, which one will come down. So you have to keep, it has a different rabbit hole. But when we talk about Forex, you can focus on just one currency pairs and make your money. So what you need to start trading Forex is a right mindset, okay, right mindset, internet connected computer. Even though you can use a tablet, you can use cell phone, but I still recommend you have a computer. Then brokerage account. Brokerage account, you need a broker. A broker stands between you and your trading platform. This broker is different to the one you use in stocks, but a broker will help you provide your trading platform for you. Then patience. Many people don't want to have patience when it comes to trading. There's a training that I did, talking about 4 P's. 4 P's that you need to succeed, to become a successful Forex trader. The very first one that we talk about is process. You need a process. Your process can be your system that you use. Then the second P is a practice. You have to practice your process. And the third P is patience. Okay, you need patience to practice your process before you start talking about the last P, which is profit. But what many people focus on is profit. They don't want to have any process. They don't want to practice. They don't want any patience at all. This is out of their dictionary. When you don't follow this, then you will lose money in Forex. I see many people, they buy my softwares, either Tradermatic, FX Sniper, Easy PCFX, or any of the system, and they put it straight on live account. It is wrong. When you buy a new system, or you buy a new robot, or you buy an artificial intelligence, you're supposed to use it on a demo account first. Then, after you profit with that, then you can now put it on live account. So, we talk about patience. Very, very important. And the last one is mentor. You need a mentor, you need a coach. The reason why I bought out 6 accounts within my first 6 months online in Forex was because I was trying to figure it out by myself. I was trying to do it my own way. I thought, oh, the problem must be from my father's house, must be from my mother's house, it must be my enemy. But I never knew that I was myself, the enemy of myself. So you need a mentor, you need a coach, no matter how. Okay, remember our quotes. These are our favorite quotes. If you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. If you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. So we've talked about 4 people why people lose money, 4 reasons. Getting started with wrong mindset, entering trades without easy plan, inability to control their emotions, using inappropriate trading platform. So ladies and gentlemen, I promise you this gift. So if you are here in United States, you can text FX Guide to 31996 to claim your gift. Come on, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do that. And if you are international, go to www.fxguide.info, fxguide.info right now, fxguide.info to download your gift. You'll be able to download your gift. Somebody can type it on the chat window, www.fxguide.info, fxguide.info. Download your gift, Beginner's Guide to Mastering Forex Trading. There is a lot to cover, but this book, of course, expand and expose you to develop most of the things that I've personally talked about on this training. Okay, let's continue. So, should I tell you one secret on how to make boatload of money with Forex trading? Okay? Did I tell you how many of you is ready for that truth? How many of you is ready for that truth? How many of you is ready for that? How many of you is ready for that? How many of you is ready? Okay, awesome, awesome. I'll tell you how to make boatload of money. Okay, promise me you will keep it secret. Here is it. Trade forex market, stocks, indices, cryptocurrency, all together on the same platform. There are some platform, meta traders, that have all of them together. And trust me, it is easier than you could imagine, especially with my coaching and mentoring program. With cryptocurrencies, most especially the major ones like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I know I did a training on 6 ways to profit with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. One of the ways I talk about is Bitcoin trading. Many people think they are trading when they use all these cryptocurrencies exchange platforms. You are not trading. What you're just doing is you are buying and selling there. But trading means that you can trade Bitcoin without you having Bitcoin. You can trade Amazon stocks without you having Amazon stocks. So that is trading. The cryptocurrency Bitcoin is exploding in value, but there is still a chance to profit from it, even if you don't have a lot of money. So you can make both load of money from the Bitcoin frenzy by trading the volatility instead of trading like everyone else. I'm talking about, making money whether it goes up or it goes down. So what if I could show you a way to profit with Bitcoin, leveraging with that couple of dollars you've got? How many of you will be interested? How many of you will be interested? If you are interested, say, yes, I am interested. I am interested. Come on, go ahead. I am interested. I am interested. I am interested. Let me see. I am interested. I am interested. Okay, awesome. 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 Cool. Cool. Great. I know you are ready. Introducing the Forex Apostle coaching and mentoring program in Forex trading, stocks investing, and cryptocurrency trading. Okay. Remember, nothing to buy. Just hold your peace. Nothing to buy. So, what you get when you join my coaching and mentoring program, what you get when you join the Forex Apostle mentoring program, you get access to Forex education and training, crypto education and training, stocks, investing and trading, education and training. You get access to cryptocurrency trading software, Forex trading software, Forex journals for traders, cutting-edge trading robots, discount access to one-on-one master coaching and mentoring program. You get access to Forex business, building strategy. There is a building strategy. We can't cover all of these on just 2 hours free coaching session. You get access to investment guide and training where I tell you, okay, this is what to buy, this is what to sell. You get access to trading signals, live weekly trading webinar. Usually every Saturday, I meet with my VIP students. We get together for Q&A sessions. Sometimes I train new strategies, and you get access to members area training, videos, trainings, weekly, everything learn up for you. First class global support desk. We connect with your system remotely to help you even when you need help. Generous commissions on all our products. As our students, when you recommend another students to join us, you make generous commissions on the sign up. New members orientation webinars, and so on and so forth. So these are some of what you will be learning, within your 6-month coaching and mentoring program. Okay, trading foundation of all the basics, how to build trading plan, including entry, position sizing, target, and so on and so forth. How to conduct fundamental analysis to find innovative tech, using technical analysis, understanding crypto market cycles, how to manage risk to minimize losses and maximize gains, how to trade news for maximum profit, a variety of effective crypto and Forex trading strategies, Forex trading like those in Wall Street and not in Main Street, how to trade Forex to build wealth, how to recognize a trend. You learn how to recognize when trend is changing, how and when to exit trade, which time frame to trade and when to trade it. Learn how to trade more than one or two currency pairs at a time, when the market has the highest probability, and so on and so forth. So a lot to learn in this coaching and mentoring program. How does it work? You will get access to one module of lessons every week for the next 6 months. This is to prevent information overload that many are experiencing right now. So every week you have access to each module, and each module contains about 6, 7, 8 different lessons, videos, and we also meet once a week, as I've explained, like every Saturday for our Q&A sessions. And that is where you bring your questions, and of course I respond and other people also contribute. So does this mean that you have to wait till after 6 months before you can go live and start making money? No, you don't have to wait till after 6 months. In fact, some will even start trading within 2 weeks. It depends on where you are. It depends on how you are able to follow simple instruction. So let me ask you this question. How long will it take you to become a medical doctor, IT professionals, or school teacher? You go to school 4 years only to graduate and still be making close to nothing. If you want to become a medical doctor, it will take you about 10 to 12 years journey to become that. So if you look at Forex as another career and not just one of those things, then you will agree with me that spending 6 months to acquire a skills that will triumph you in this new economy is the best decision you can make today. I'm talking about acquiring the skills that can make you money like this. This is $4,339 a day, $3,000 a day, $16 a day, $4,000 a day, making about $30,000 a month, and so on and so forth.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Olaniro, and I am here to testify to Pastor Emmanuel Adegbola's FX training and coaching program. Pastor Adegbola is authentic. I was introduced to FX. Well, I've kind of always wanted to know FX trading, and I've ventured into it a couple of years back, but I didn't make anything out of it until I came into contact with Pastor Adegbola. I joined his training program sometime last year, late last year, October last year. But I can assure you that he's authentic. He teaches with a passion. He knows what he's doing. And if you follow his principles, his teachings, you will also make money. You will do well in FX trading and FX trading. So, and I recommend it for anybody. I'm also promoting him. By the grace of God, I'm also a pastor. And I also introduced a couple of our church members to undergo this training. You cannot regret it. He is authentic, and I support what he's doing. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Christy. So if you're looking to become a professional Forex and cryptocurrency trader, then Easy Forex Institute is the best. I would also highly recommend the coaching and mentoring program from Emmanuel to everyone just seeking a full-time income leveraging this new crypto economy. So I'm averaging between 20 to 40 pips daily now and have over 80% winning trades. So just go ahead, take up Emmanuel's coaching and mentoring program. You will be glad you did. You will not regret it.
Hello, everybody. I'm glad to be here to give a testimony, especially on behalf of my wife, regarding cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And I'm glad to say that this testimony actually confirms the success of Pastor Emmanuel Adegbola's coaching program. My wife normally does not like to be an entrepreneur. I have been an entrepreneur for years, and I'm ready to take risks for so long as I think they are reasonable. But my wife is the kind of person who likes brick and mortar projects. Anyway, I was able to convince her to visit with Pastor Adegbola, and she agreed. And after a couple of days of coaching, Pastor Adegbola was able to convince her to purchase 1 Bitcoin. And this was about 5 months ago. And within 5 months, she bought 1 Bitcoin for, I think, about $2,200. And just about 2 weeks ago, she was able to cash out about $7,000, and she still has some money left in the Bitcoin. She didn't sell everything, which means she made a huge profit within a short time. I can tell you my wife is very happy because she's never been interested in risking her money. And where she tried in the past, things didn't work out well. But now she is very, very happy. I would really recommend this coaching course by Pastor Adegbola. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Michelle Mutter. I drove all the way from Killeen to here in Dallas today. That's about 2 hours and 30 minutes to have a training session with Mr. Emmanuel, Pastor Emmanuel. Really, I am so blessed to be here today because I have learned so much, and he has helped me beyond measure because he has stopped so many things that he had to do today. As a pastor, he has so many activities to do, and he really compromised everything to help me, and I'm very, very grateful. I say thank you to you, Pastor Emmanuel, for doing that for me. And I just wanted to say that I'm really happy to be here because I was able to learn how to use Trematic system to actually go ahead and trade. I have learned to trade I have taken so many classes before, but here with Trematic, I was able to place my stop loss, place my trade, and place my take profit, and I was able to make $15 for the first one and $32 for the second trade, which actually took us only about 15 minutes. So I recommend his system to anyone out there who's really struggling with trading. It was helpful. It's just the beginning, and I know that I'm going to profit more and more with his system. Please join us and let's grow together. Thank you.
Hello, this is Larry, and just want to stop by to tell you about something I came across that's awesome, making me money. It's trading in Forex and cryptocurrencies. I heard about it, saw some stories about it, and wanted to know more, but didn't know where to start. I came across this site, easyforexinstitute.com, and Emmanuel and the team over there really helped me get through the process from A to Z, and I'd like to give them a big thanks for that, because now I'm making income, and if I continue to make money at the rate that I'm making it, 6 months from now I'll be quitting my job and going full-time into trading Forex and cryptocurrencies. Okay, if you're interested in finding out more and finding out how it is that you're going to be able to trade like a professional and to be able to make yourself, a good return on your money, you need to check out easyforexinstitute.com. Thanks, Emmanuel.
Hello, this is Benjamin Berkeley of Vision Power International. Wow, I want to appreciate Mr. Emmanuel Adegbola, the Forex Apostle, for his creative mind. The Tradermatic software is a wonder magic. I tell you that. Now, through the Tradermatic software, I've been able to minimize my losses and also to magnify my profits, because the software has been so instrumental in my trading. Not only that, I can attest to his a coaching program. It's a wonderful teacher. It will take you hand by hand, leg by leg, and lead you until you can understand. It's someone that teaches you to the basic. I love the way he teaches, and I do recommend him. Make sure you get in touch with him, get his resources, get his material. It's somebody that you need to hook up with, because he will have positive and profitable influence in your life. God bless you. Have a great day.
Hey guys, my name is Toby and I'm going to shoot a video to thank the Tradermatic team. Now the software does exactly what it's supposed to do, which is to help a complete newbie make money profitably in the Forex market using these color-coded signals. Now I was skeptical at first to buy because there are a lot of scams out there, but I went ahead and got this software because of Mr. Emmanuel's credibility and integrity. So I started making money in my first week of using this software. Now, to be very, very honest, I can't believe that this kind of software will be this affordable. Mr. Emmanuel, thank you so much for creating this software, and I believe it's going to change a lot of people's lives. I recommend this tool for everyone struggling to make money in the Forex market. Trust me that it is worth every penny. Go for it. Cheers.
How many of you are ready? How many of you are ready to start making this type of life-changing income right now? How many of you are ready to, you want to start participating and trading Forex market for profit? How many of you are ready right now? If you are, type yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Remember, nothing to buy, but I need your commitment to share what I want to share with you. Nothing to pay for right now. So, but how many of you are ready right now? Let me see. Come on, let me see. Oyiri, I'm ready. Taiwo, I am ready. Ogutoye, I am ready. Chazo, ready. Okay, awesome, awesome. Everybody is ready right now. So, how much does this training cost? How much does the Forex Apostle mentoring program cost? How much do you need to pay? I believe this is the question that is going on your mind right now. But before I tell you the training fee, which you are not paying, okay? Before I tell you the training fee for my 6-month coaching and mentoring program, here are your fast action bonus. Number one, if you join our coaching and mentoring program today, okay, you get lifetime discount access to all the courses, softwares, and systems that will ever be created by my company. The value of that is priceless. You get 1 year free access to Elite FX Signal service. That Signal service alone is $49 per month. That is $497 per year subscription, but you get that for free. You also get lifetime access to our student alone private Facebook and WhatsApp group. The value of that is priceless because you'll be able to interact with 6 and 7 figures, Forex traders right there in the group. You get backdoor access to my proprietary trading softwares. These are softwares that I use for myself. You can see FX snipers about to hit the market. You see Easy PC FX, you see Tradermatic. You get access to this system as my VIP student. So when you look into all of this, what you are getting today, if your payment is confirmed before midnight today, okay, what you get is priceless. And as I said, you are not actually paying for anything right now.
My name is Stephen Akintayo, Africa's most sought after personal finance coach. And I'm here with my brother, Mr. Emmanuel Adebola. And I want to encourage as many people to join his cryptocurrency trading coaching program. I personally have sent so many students to him. I've seen testimonies, and I can assure you is one of the best decisions you can ever make if you want your finances to move to the next level. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Stephen. I like this quotable quote by John Asaraf. He says, success might happen slow, it might happen fast, but at the end of the day, it is the people who take action that are rewarded. So it's all about action. I've given you some basic skills that you need to get started trading Forex. But if you want to take it to the next level today, all you need is what? Action. Action. Tony Robbins put it the better way. He says the path to success is to take massive, determined action. Massive, determined action. All I've talked about today will profit you nothing if you don't take action. So let's talk about how much is this going to cost you. Investing $10,000 to change the quality of your life today, okay, I believe it's worth it. But the training fee for you today, okay, is $0. Zero, nothing, shishi, nothing, okay? So let me explain. I know everyone on this training right now will love to join the coaching and mentoring program by me, But from my experience, my coaching and mentoring program is not for everyone. Okay, I've made these mistakes in the past. I just sign up anybody anyhow. But right now, I'm so conscious of my time and whom I devote it to. So besides, Forex training should be individualized. What that means is that we are in different level when it comes to our skills, when it comes to what we have experienced. And I would love to know you. I would love to meet with you. I would love to chat with you. I would love to ask questions and see if you are fit. If you are not fit, you can get somebody else that could mentor you or that could coach you. So my mentoring program, as I said, is not for everyone. I know that everyone would love to join, but it is not for everyone. And I cannot work with everybody. I'm very picky on whom I work with. My mentoring program is not for you. If you have lottery and free mentality, you want to get everything for free, then you are not ready to learn. If you are not, you are looking for a get-rich-quick system. My trading is not, my system is not for you. My coaching program is not for you. If you are not ready to change the quality of your life, you are sworn an oath with poverty, then my coaching and mentoring program is not for you. If you are not ready to be one of my success stories, what that means is that you are ready to allow me to hold you by hand. You are ready to allow me to mentor you. If you are not ready for that, then you are not qualified to be one of my VIP students. So my mentoring program is for you if you are ready to change the quality of your life and the status of your bank account. You are sick and tired of seeing others making money from Forex and you don't just know how to get started. You are ready to take action right now and change your story for good. You are in debt and ready to get out of that debt as soon as possible. You believe there is more than enough for all of us to share. You are ready to invest in yourself, in your self-education, and you are ready right now. You are ready to be one of my success stories. Absolutely. If this is you, then congratulations. Having trained and mentored successful traders, okay, for over 10 years now, I've discovered that Forex trading is what? Individualized. I would love to know you, where you are, where you have been, your experience, before I can volunteer and render myself to mentor you. It's not about the money you pay per se, but I want to know that you qualify for the quality of my time. And in order to do this, I have prepared a very short questionnaire that you will need to complete. Even if you have completed it before, please complete it again. I will personally review your response. Once you complete the form, you will see a link at the end of the form where you can schedule a free 30-minute call with me. A free 30-minute call with me. So once you complete that, we will schedule a time. You will schedule it based on your time. The value of this is $497, but you are getting it also for free. You are getting it for free. But please note that it is first come, first serve. First come, first serve. So in order to do that, go to www.meetforexapostle.com. 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 Once you get to the website, this is what you will see. So you complete all the questionnaires. Once you complete the questionnaires, there will be a link like this. You see that link? You click on that link. Once you click on that link right there, then you will be able to, once you click on that link right there, this is the link. Okay, once you click on that link, you will be able to schedule the time that I will meet with you. Okay, once again, thank you for your time that you stayed till this particular time, and I look forward to helping you. If you have any questions, you want to chat with me, ask questions based on what we have learned today, this is my WhatsApp number. No phone call. You can chat with me, you can ask questions, I will respond. And this is my Facebook handle, facebook.com/the Forex Apostle. So once again, I want to say a very big thank you guys.